Hey, what's up guys? Mike coming to you from Sledaddicz. I wanted to do just a quick video. I think this is something that a lot of guys will overlook, and until you have it happen, it's probably something you don't really think about. But you know, the one time it did happen, I remember thinking, holy cow, I just ruined, you know, half a day of riding because I had to go and actually find a fuse. So one of the things I like to do before every season or when I get a new sled is I'll put together a backup fuse and relay kit for the machine. Just in case, you know, you're up north and something goes wrong. One of the things I did notice this year is the new 2021 Skidoo fuse panel actually has a much better designed cover on it, and it pops on and off much easier than the last one. I don't know if you guys remember the old ones used to struggle with it. Look how easy that comes off. So just a quick look in there, and then I'll go through, you know, you're definitely gonna want a spare relay, and then make sure you've got some extra fuses along with you on the ride. But really happy with this new fuse panel that they put in. It clips on and off much easier than the last ones. So we'll take a look and I'll show you guys the actual kit that I put together. All right guys, so what I did is I typically will just go down to my local Princess Auto and I'll pick up, usually these 100-piece ATM fuse kits go on sale. So these are the mini blade fuses that you'll want for your machine. And so with this one, I've got, let's see, I've got an extra 5 that I put together. I've got a 15 amp, I've got a 25 amp, I've got a 10 amp, and I think this one should be a 30. So those are the ones that you'll need in terms of backups for the machine, and I'll include a photo obviously from the fuse panel itself. But you'll make sure, I mean, depending on the machine that you have, that you check out, you know, what blade fuses you actually need. So the other important one that you'll want to look at is the actual relays too. So this particular relay, I believe you can get these, they're fairly universal. You can get these from Napa or kind of any major auto parts store. I think even Amazon has them as well. So I'll include part numbers for that as well. So yeah, that's the quick tip. Definitely don't forget to carry your extra fuses and relays with you. It'll certainly save you a headache if anything does happen.
If you liked that video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the Sledaddicz YouTube channel, where we release content on everything snowmobiles. Also, hit that bell icon so you can be updated every time we release new videos.